Yeah, look, we had a great time. It is the first of many, and we're looking forward to Khanyie putting Ginsberg and putting females at the forefront of entertainment in the Eastern Cape.
Thank you, ma'am.
It was worth it. We're looking forward to next year. Thank you. Everything went accordingly, and I think we are grateful to God for everything that's happened today. Now, ladies, so it was really a good event indeed.
Come and give Bangungi Malina. Oh, I'm Mungi Mal. Okay.
So much fun. I believe so much in women empowerment, and a room full of gorgeous women I feel like was impeccable. This was very necessary. This was a moment that we needed as women in this town, and I'm very excited.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ladies, there's really girls. They were so beautiful. The venue, right, everything was cool.
Yeah. Bekumnandi, dingo-andiswa mna. Silapa ku event ye ladies lunch. It was nice, it was wonderful. Batetile osisi amagama mnandi, and yeah, we're just having fun as ladies.
Ngisongba.
Dizinxibele.
Makeup insongba.
I-makeup ndenzwe nguNthabi uhlala ePhakamisa. Ilokho ndiyithengile ke shem, like yeah. There goes the name of the shop. Okay, ndithenga YDE.
Umhle nobamhle man. Ubhuti. I think you present that.
Yo, awunuka mandi into.
Bye.
Okay, hi everyone. Igama lami ndinguNandipha wakwaSam. From a company called Sam Creations. I do decorations, decors for all events and all occasions. I'm here co-hosting with Khanyie, the lovely Khanyie. It's my first time doing business with anyone else, and it was quite a very nice experience, and which makes it more nice is because she's also a woman that is striving in this business world. So for me it was a motivation, and having her by my side was really an inspiration.
Mama Amantombazana, you back. You're back now. You're back.
Hey, I'm back. Amantombazana is back. Amantombazana is back, guys. And yazi maybe I need introduction, but yeah, let me introduce myself. Khanyie. I've been doing events for quite a while now. In fact, years. I work at the center as well, and the marketing officer yalapa. But now when the center Amantombazana, most the brand is growing now. It's no longer la nightlife or la soft life. Now we are shifting because you see a cooler must do mama now. I need to I can't be doing a nightlife. So now I decided to do a different thing, a different theme, bring all women together, dress up, and talk about our problems, because we've been facing izinto ezininzi. Abafazi bebelapha, in fact women bebelapha not abafazi. Ladies ebezilapha, some are going through divorce, abanye they have lost their business, abanye basho bathi mna ndisena mama, mna ndisena myeni, andisena ntoni. So we were all here just to relax namhlanje, but izinto zethu izizathu besizizele azifani, but ke they came through a supporter. As you can see, the tickets were sold out. I hosted about 125 amanina ebelapha, so the event was quite fruitful. We had guest speakers from East London, Mrs. Ornella Skobelwana, Mrs. Nomfundo Skobelwana, which Zawuthini na ndiphelelwe na into yothetha man. I'm grateful. I couldn't zaphinda ndithethe. Thank you guys for always supporting me and coming through to everyone. Because bekukho iBhayi, bekukho uMdantsane, East London, King Williamstown. So to everyone ebelapha, thank you for everyone. Nomuntu ebesherisha ipost, ebethenge amatikiti, bakhona bethengile abaza, but to everyone ndiyabulela, and not to mention Aluta Lounge and Restaurant and at the Steve Biko Centre. So thank you guys.
The next event?
Next event I'm hosting activation still here, Amantombazana at Shabavu, get 21st, but the main event will be on the 4th of December. If venue, I will announce it later on.
Thank you.
I had a good time. Bye.
Khanyie sana usenza abantu King sideserve event ezinjena kaloku sana for sophisticated women.
Thank you.